What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. Let's take a look at this awesome bolt action pen. So I thought we'd go close in on this pen here. It's by REFYNE. It's an EP1. Comes in this little tube, almost like a cigar or something like that. And what I love about these pens is that, you can get them at refyne.com, is that they are just really nice, high quality, and not expensive, and just have a ton of style. So here we have it in like the silver. You can see we have a torpedo-like, bullet-like front end here. They're not super long. They are about the length of the cartridge, which I'll show you there in a second. And then you can see the clip here is polished, and it's got like a laser cut in there. And then you can see here, I think this is like a copper barrel inside there, and what we get is that bolt action movement there. That pushes it down, right? And then if you just push it over there, spring loaded, fires it back in there. So man, that just feels just so satisfying. I love these because it's kind of a low-tech way to deploy your ballpoint pen, but it's just, they're so cool. You know, using these, everyone asks about them because they're like, oh man, what is that, right? Boom, boom. And I love that contrasting look of the metals right there. If you unscrew the tip here, this is going to reveal, you can see the little O-ring there, the refill cartridge, which I think is a Parker. It says Schmidt right there, but I think it's a kind of a Parker style refill, so you can get those anywhere. And as I was mentioning, you can see just how long the pen is to the refill. So there's really no wasted space. It's not any longer than it needs to be. And the nice thing about this is it makes a nice compact pen that you can take anywhere. And it's just not, you know, engineering for engineering's sake or size for size sake. You can get like some Mont Blancs and some really big fatty fat pens that, you know, are just to show off, but these are really, really super cool. I just love these bolt actions. Hey, if you want to pick up this REFYNE, I will put a link to it in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.